Hey, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and today we're going to go over the Boston Whaler 230 Outrage. This particular model has the Mercury 300 on it. We have the option for the freshwater washdown on the back deck. This one also has the activity pylon and a wonderfully easy to use rear seat. For fishing, we would store that away. We have a 16-gallon live well, 2 large fish boxes underneath with your tow rails, rod storage, and rod holders on both sides. This model has the cooler underneath the leaning post with the fold-down tray for drinks or a fillet station. At the helm, we have the flip-up, flip-down, very solid bolsters. We have a 9-inch Raymarine Axiom unit with the Mercury vessel view, as well as a Fusion stereo with JL speakers. Storage box here, as well as storage on top of the T-top, which does have the light blue gel coat to match the hull. We have spreader lights aft and forward with the half acrylic windshield. This model does have the pump out head, the magnetic door, which is nice, that's not flying around on you. Battery switch access fuse in there. Coming forward, we have rod holders on the front, cup holders. We have your Fusion stereo controls up front. We have a powered windlass and wet storage underneath the seating in the hull, and also where your cushion is up front. This model has a 25-inch height interior freeboard, so you feel very safe, and especially if you're having little kids come on, you get a very safe 23-foot center console. Thanks for checking out the Boston Whaler 230 Outrage here at Westbrook, Connecticut. You can call us at 860-661-4761 or visit us at 627 Boston Post Road. Thank you.